Morning everybody. I'm out by myself this morning. No Molly moved today. I'm going to do a little section of the Mountains to Sea Trail. It runs parallel to the Blue Ridge Parkway from Walker Knob Overlook out to Craggy Dome. Assuming that this trail is not so overgrown I can't find it. Well, you can see that this trail is slightly overgrown in spots. Holy cow, that's pretty bad. And grass grabs at you, makes for difficult walking. Pretty. Some rhodos coming up. Cool. Beautiful. Man, that is crazy. Look at this, guys. Wow. So pretty. Now see, this makes me want to walk back this way. Even though it's so grassy. Look at this. Ooh, what's around the corner? Oh, wow. Wow. Like something out of another world. This is beautiful. Look at that. This is so pretty. See the parkway over there. I made it to Craggy Dome. I mean, that was a hard ass climb. I don't know what this is about. I tried to go down this little trail here. There's nothing here. I gotta go back to this rock, which is really the only place to sit down. It was overgrown as heck getting up here, and honestly, if I'd known this was the top, I would not have come up here. I mean, it does have a pretty view. But that's it. Yeah, so maybe in the winter, I don't know, but right here, no, nah. I planned on having lunch up here, but there's nowhere to sit really, and there's nothing to see. So I'm just gonna head back down, go back to the parking lot or something and sit and have something to eat and head back. And I thought originally I might walk back on the road, but now I know I'm not because the traffic is just crazy. So I'll just brave the tall grasses again. Yep, alright, I had to pay attention. This is quite treacherous. Look how this tree's growing. That's wild. Huh. Just a quick check-in. I'm super glad I came back this way because there's been so many people on this trail since I came through that the grass is not nearly as bad as it was. Still thick, but it's been smushed down and pushed back quite a bit. So yeah, I'm really glad I came back this way. I know you're looking at the video going, it don't look like it's been squished down. It has a little bit. And also, I've never seen anybody trail run in blundstone boots and boxer shorts. That's a first. Anyway. Making my way back towards Walker Knob. Left the Craggy Dome parking area. Went up to Craggy Dome, as you saw. Wasn't really anything to see. A little disappointing. But the rest of the trail has been like so beautiful. Ridiculous. Anyway, I don't know how much more I'll shoot because I've already shot everything coming out through here. So, I don't know. We'll see if I see something interesting. Something I overlooked. Highly recommend this trail. 5 out of 5 stars. Beautiful. Thanks for coming along. Guys, I'm hustling my ass back down this trail because I just encountered a mama and 2 babies, bears, and I scared the shit out of them, and they scared the shit out of me, and yeah, she was watching me. I just get the fuck out of there. I don't want to mess with mama. I'll go back down here, hop on the road, and walk back. Whew, god dang, it scared me. This is a bummer too, because I was almost back to the car, but that's okay. I'm gonna go back down here and hop up on the road. Whew, dang it, that was some shit.